fish has been defrosted overnight in the refrigerators, removed from its vacuum seal bags, wrapped in paper towels and tube paper. For sashimi, I want to remove the skin, and I want to remove the bloodline, and I want to remove any connective tissue and anything that's not perfectly going to melt in my mouth. Right here, this is connective tissue. Come back again, that's okay. I'm gonna remove the skin. So I'm gonna start here to get an edge. Knife is flush to the cutting board. I'm holding the skin here with one hand. Skin comes off pretty well. That brown bloodline is not gonna taste as ideal as some of the rest of the fish, so we're gonna remove that. You could go flat and try to do it like this, or you use the flat surface. So because yellowtail is quite a bit firmer than salmon, for example, our sashimi slices are going to be thinner so that the thin slice of sashimi will melt in my mouth. So instead of a thick cut like on salmon, I'm going to do pretty much as thin as I can. Knife edge at the top of the fillet, dragging the knife down, letting the tip of the knife separate. This piece of fish is quite thick, so I'm going straight down. If it was thinner, or as you get closer to the tail where it's thinner, instead of going 90 degrees, I would go on an angle. And the angle that I choose depends on the direction of the muscle fibers. These muscle fibers happen to be going this way, so on an angle, I would cut against it.